The problem you're having with your PC in your house, but you want to start recording video in your camper, do I have a suggestion, says Douglas. Yeah, so what resolution... I'll answer your question next, Brian. What resolution do you want to produce and record video in? Would be my question. But I do have a mobile recording solution, laptop-wise, that, look, I use it every day. So I'm only going to recommend what I know works. I've bought this laptop I'm featuring in chat right now for about 11 of my consulting clients, and I personally set it up with them 11 times. And it's a near flawless laptop. It is totally good for 1080p or 2K video production. You're going to be kind of pushing it with 4K. You can do 4K, but it would be difficult to do 4K. What laptop am I talking about, buddy, for your camper? It's this one right here. It's the one I use in my own studio. It's the one I'm broadcasting to you on right now. It is an MSI laptop with a dedicated, as you can see, NVIDIA graphics card, Intel i7 processor, high frame rate 1080p monitor, a good amount of RAM, and a solid state drive you can take on the go. I could put a desktop computer here. I've got a desktop computer, but instead I run this laptop because I like it how it saves me desk space, and I like how it can take my broadcasting on the go. But wait, there's more. This is it right here, guys. This machine on Amazon, I mentioned this earlier, this one I'm linking you has an i7, the fastest i7 processor available in any laptop, 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's enough to edit 2K video in a 1 terabyte solid state drive. Super fast hard drive, right? Solid state drives are the fastest out there. And here's the crazy part. It's got a 3060 graphics card in it, an RTX 3060 graphics card inside the laptop. I've talked about this a couple times during the stream today, but having a 3060 graphics card inside of a laptop that's only $1,700 is a crazy, crazy, crazy deal. Why? The reason why is this particular laptop, the 3060 graphics card, I'm looking at it on Amazon right now. Just buying only that graphics card on Amazon is $1,000. Just for the graphics card, because of how much graphic cards are marked up right now. But you can straight up get that graphics card, the 3060 line of graphics card, in a $1,700 laptop as a part of the system. Just the graphics card is $1,000 because of the market today and the scarcity of graphics cards. And 30 series graphics cards are the current generation that is going to future-proof you with all of the future NVIDIA features. So I cannot recommend this laptop enough. Why? Because I use it every single day to do all of my broadcasts. So I only recommend equipment that I use.